So let's begin with the today's session, that is chapter number 33. That is what are the various ASCII table lookup, that is what are the various ASCII lookup value that is used. This is ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and there are total 128 ASCII codes, each of which can be represented by either 7-bit or 7 binary number, that is from 0000 through 1111. That is all the zeros, then 00, and any combination that is starting with the all the zeros that ending with the all the ones. That is 0000 ending with the all the ones. That is a 7-bit binary number. That is the ASCII code that is used. And extended ASCII codes adds an additional 128 characters that vary between the computer's program and the font. So there are multiple values, multiple fonts that is used for the ASCII characters. Now these are the various 7-bit ASCII codes that is used, that is represented by this one. So this is the DEC, then that is the octal, hexadecimal, binary, this is a symbol, then this is the hexadecimal code, this is the description. That is a 7-bit ASCII code that is used. So first our decimal value, that is a 0, octal value 000, hexadecimal value also 00. Then the binary equivalent is also 7-bit, that is also 000. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then this is the null characters. Then this is a HTML code that is used, that is ampersand hash 000. And what is the description? This is a null character, that is a 0, that is a null character. Then the next one, decimal value have a 1. What is the octal conversion? That is a 001. What is the hexadecimal? That is 01. This is the binary, and this is the symbol that is used, that is the SOH, that is the start of the heading. This is the description. These are the various description, these are the various decimal value that is used. That is, then next is 2, that is the start of the text, that is STX. Then third, that is the end of the text, that is ETX. Then fourth, that is a EOT, that is the end of the transmission, that is a 004 is the octal value, hexadecimal value have a 04, and the HTML code have a ampersand hash 004. Then this is 005, this has hexadecimal value as a 5, this is a binary equivalent. This is the ENQ, that is the inquiry. Then this is a 6, this is also used for the acknowledgement. Then this is the bell. Then this is the backspace that is used, that is the ampersand hash 008. This is the 10, then 0A, this is the LF, that is a line fade, then OB or the 0B. That means first of all it start with the 0 till 09, then it start with the 0A, that means then it start with the characters, that is a 0A, 0B, 0C, 0T, and so on. So 10th have a value, that is a 0A, then this is a binary equivalent, this is the line of feed or line feed, then 0B. This is again the HTML code, then this is used for the vertical tab, then 014, this is the 0C, this is the binary equivalent, this is the form feed. So these are the multiple values that is used. This is the 20, that is the device control 4, that is the DC4, this is the binary equivalent, this is the 24, this is the 14. And these are the various ASCII code that is used in this one, in this code. And this is the 40, this is a octal value, that is the 50, this is the hex value, that is the 28, this is the binary equivalent, this is the left angle bracket, then this is the HTML code, that is ampersand hash 40, and this is the open parenthesis. And next is the characters, that is a 0, that is a 48, that is a 48 number, and this is the octal value, that is of 60, and this is a 30, that is a hexadecimal value, and this is the binary equivalent, that is a 00110000. Then this is a 0, then ampersand hash 48, then this is a 0, then this is so on till 9. Again these are the various symbols that is used. Then again it is starting with the A, that is a 65, that is uppercase characters. Now this is the small character, that is a small A, B, C, D, that is also used, that is starting with the ampersand hash 97. Now these are the various extended ASCII code, that is also we can say added the 1 and the 0 at the starting and the end of the binary values. These are the various code for the ASCII values. This is again the code for the ASCII value that is used. This is again the ASCII value. There are so many ASCII values, there are so many Latin characters that is used. Now, next is the chapter number 34, that is the HTML color names. That is, what are the various colors name that is used within the HTML. So these are the various list of the colors that is used with the HTML. So the following table shows the 16 color names that were introduced in the HTML 3.2. So that was introduced in the 3.2 version of the HTML. This is the color name, this is the hexadecimal value, this is the color, and this is the show, that is a demo. This will move to the tutorialpoint.com, and this is the show color, that is how to show the colors, or what is the color that is all about. So first attribute, or the first column name, is the color name, that is the aqua. The color name is aqua, and this is the hexadecimal value, that is the hash 00FFFF, and this is the color, that is the blue, sky blue. Then this is the demo, that is how it is used. Then next is the black, that have hexadecimal values of all the zeros, that is the 6 zeros. This is the black color. And then there is a blue color, then there is a fuchsia color, that is the pink color, then there is a green color. Then next is the gray color, this is a gray color, that is a hash 808080. Then this is the lime color, this is 00FF00. Then maroon color, then navy color, and this is the value, that is a 00008880. Then olive color, then purple color, then there is a red color, and for the red this symbol is used, that is the ampersand, or sorry, hash FF0000. This is the yellow color, and there are other colors which are not a part of the HTML or XHTML, but they are supported by most of the versions of Mesa browser. That is, they are supported by the various version of the browser. These are the different colors. First is the LS blue, that have a hexadecimal value, that is hash F0R8FF, that is the LIS blue. Then next is the antique white. Then next is the aquamarine. Then next is the azure, that is a hash F0FFFF. Then this is the beach. Then this is the face. Then next is the black, the blank almond. This is the blank almond color. Then next is the blue violet. Then next is the brown color. Then next is the barley wood color. This is the barley wood color. Then carded blue. Then next is the chart reuse color. This is the chart reuse color, that is a light green color. This is the chocolate color. This is the D2691. Then this is the coral color, coral flower blue color. Then this is the corn silk. Then next is the cream color. Then next is the cyan color. And these are the dark slate blue color. This is the dark slate blue color. Then next is the dark slate gray color. This is the dark slate gray color, that is also used. Then next is the darker noise color, that is also used. Then dark violet color, this is the dark violet color. And then next is the dim gray color. FF2AB. Then next is the dark code kiosk color. This is again the new color that is used. Then there is the dark violet color. This has a code that is a unique code that is a 9400 B3. Then next is the deep pink color. This is a deep pink color that is a hash FF1493. Then deep sky blue color. Then dim gray color that is a 696969. Then DOD Gar or Dogger blue that is a DOD Gar blue that is a hash 1E 90FF. Then next is the fire break color that is hash B222222. Then there is a floral white that is a unique code that is again the different unique code that is used, that is a floral white. Then there is a forest green that is again the new color that is a forest green color. This is a sky blue green color that is used. Then forest, this is the forest green. Then this is the Gainsborough color. This is a DC. This is the ghost white color that is the ampersand R 8F 8FF. This is the ghost white color. Then next is the gold color that is a hash FFD 700 color. This is 700. This is the we can say the yellow color. Then the golden road color. This is the hash DAA 520. Then next is a gray color that is a hash 808080. That is a gray color. Then next is a green yellow color that is a ADFF2R. Then next is a honeydew color that is a hash F0FFF0. Then next is a hot pink color that is a hash FF69B4. That is a hot pink color. This is the Indian red. This is the Indian red color. This is the hash CD5C5C color code. This is the indigo color that is the blue color that is known as the indigo color. Then this is the ivory color that is a hash FFFF0. Then this is a khaki color khaki as we told in the tell in the Hindi, that is a khaki color. Then this is a lavender color that is a hash E6C6RA. Then this is a lavender blush color. This is a hash FFF0F5. Then this is a lone green color. This is a hash C7CFC00. Then this is the lemon chiffon color. That is a chiffon color. That is a hash FFFACD. Then light blue color. Then the light coral color. That is a hash F08080. Then next is a light cyan, that is a hash E0FFFF, that is a light cyan color. Then next is a light golden yellow color, that is a light golden road yellow, that is a hash FAFAD2. Then next is a light green color, that is a hash 90EE90. Then light gray, light pink, light salmon, then light sea green, then light sky blue color, then light slate gray color. This is again the light steel blue color, light yellow color, lime green color, then linen color. This is one of the important color, that is the linen color. Then magenta color, then medium blue color, then medium orchid color. This is also one of the important color. Then medium purple color, then misty rose color, then moccasin color, then also dark color, then orange color. So these are the various colors that is used with this one. This is the purple color, last one, that is a hash 800080. Then this is also a plum color. Then on the next page, this is a rosy brown color, then royal blue color, then salmon color, then sandy brown color. There is a sandy brown, then a sea green color. This is the hash 2E8B57, that is a sea green color. Then Sienna color, that is a hash A0522D. Then there is a sky blue color that is used, that is a hash 87CEEB. That is a light blue sky blue color. Then there is a slate blue color, that is a hash 6A5ACD, that is a slate blue color. Then next is the steel blue color, that is a 4682B4, that is a steel blue color. Then tan, then tistel, then tomato, then violet color, wheat color, white smoke color, that is the hash F5 F5 F5. Then yellow color, then yellow green color. Now next chapter is the HTML entities. That is what are the various HTML entities that is used with the HTML content, that is used with the HTML content, that is the HTML entities. So these are the various HTML entities that is used, that is a div, non-breaking symbol entities that is used with the entities color. Now let's start with these HTML entities, that is how this is used. So first of all, what are the various HTML entities? So these are the next chapter is the chapter number 35, that is what are the various HTML entities that is used. So some characters are reserved in HTML and they have a special meaning when used in the HTML document. So some characters are reserved in HTML for their special meaning that is used, and they have a special meaning when it is used in the HTML document, that is reserved in the HTML for the enlarging the documents. For example, you cannot use the greater than and the less than symbol and the angle bracket within your HTML tags, because these are or the browser treat them differently and will try to draw a meaning related to the HTML tag. So you do not use the less than sign, greater than sign for the HTML entities. The HTML processor must support the 5 character or special character that is listed in the table as follows. This is one of the character, that is a div id character. So these are the various characters, that is a lt, div id is equal to quote character quote gt, and there is also a long list of special characters used in the HTML 4.0. In order for these to appear in your document, you can either use the numerical codes or the entity name. For example, to insert a copyright symbol, you can either use the following, that is ampersand copy, that is 2000, or the ampersand hash 169 2007. Then next is the ISO 88591 symbol entities, that is what are the various symbol entities that is used within the HTML. So this is the result, that is a space, that is a non-breaking space, that is used for the NBSP. So there is a NBSP that is used, that is the entity name that is used with the HTML. So when we write the NBSP code in the HTML, so there is a space that is available in the website, that is available in the web page. Then next is the inverted exclamation mark, that is this one. Then next is the currency, that is ampersand current, that is a CURREN. Then cent, this is the ampersand cent. Then there is a ampersand pound for denoting the symbol pound. Then yen for denoting the symbol yen. So these are the various currencies of various countries that is used within the HTML. Then next is a broken down, that is also used within the HTML. Then next is the broken vertical bar, that is the BPR or BRV VAR, that is a broken bar, that is a ampersand hash 166. This is a section, that is ampersand section, that is also used. Then this is the spacing that is used for the UML, that is the ampersand hash 168. And then next is the copyright, that is the C, the copyright that is used as ampersand copy, that is a copyright symbol that is used within the HTML code. Then there is a, that is a feminine or ordinal indicator, that is the ampersand ODR ORDF. Then angle question mark, that is a left, that is the L equo. Then there is a negation, that is the ampersand note for the negation. And these are the various, again the symbol, that is a superscript 1. Then which HTML code is used, that is the ampersand SUP1. Then there is a O, that is a masculine ordinal indicator, that is a ORDM. Then next is a angle quotation mark, that is a right quotation mark, that is the ampersand RAQUE, that is the angle quotation mark. Then 1 by 4, that is a fraction. So if I want to write the fraction 1 by 4, so we have to write the ampersand frac 1 4, that is a fraction 1 by 4. Then next is a 1 by 2, that is the ampersand frac 1 2, that is a fraction 1 by 2. Then fraction 3 by 4, that is the ampersand frac 3 4. Then next is the inverted question mark, that is if I want to write the inverted question mark, that is the I quest. Then this is the same, that is the multiplication. Then next is the division. Then next is the ISO 88591, that is a character element. So this is the 88591 symbol entities. Then next is the character entity. So this table is related to the characters. Now this table is related to the this table is related to the symbol. This table is related to the characters. That is the A. Then capital a grave accent, that is the ampersand a grave. Then capital, that is a steady. Then this is the U, that is a capital U grave accent, that is also U, that is ampersand U grave. Then capital U, then acute accent. So these are the various characters that is used. That is a small a ring, that is a ring. So if I want to use this character, then we have to write the ampersand a ring. Then this is a small e, that is a um load mark, that is a load. Then these are the other entities that is supported by the HTML browser, other than the symbols, other than the characters. That next is the CE, that is a capital ligature. OE, that is the ampersand OE lig. Then OE, that is a small ligature OE, that is the ampersand OE LIG. Then there is a capital switch karen, that is the ampersand S karen. Then small switch karen, that is the ampersand S karen. Then capital Y with the diaries, that is the ampersand YUML. The next is a modifiers letter circumference extend, that is the ampersand circle. Then small tilde, that is a tilde sign. If I want to use a tilde sign, that is the ampersand tilde. Then next is the en space, that is the ensp. Then em space, that is the emsp. So this is the en space, this is the en space. The next is the thin space, that is a thin sp. Then 0 with the non-joiner, that is the ampersand zw and j. Then 0 with the joiner, so then right quotation mark. And this is used for the dash, that is ampersand n dash. Then em dash, that is the m dash. So for the en dash, there is the ampersand n dash, and for the for the em dash, there is a ampersand m dash. That is the, then next is the left single quotation mark, that is the LSQUO. Then next is the right single quotation mark. So one is the left single quotation mark, one is the right single quotation mark, that is the ampersand RSQUO. Then next is the single LOW 9 quotation mark. Then left double quotation mark, that is a double quotation mark, that is the LD, that is the left double quotation. QUO is a quotation, LD is a left double. Then right double, that is ampersand RD QUO. Then double row 9 quotation mark, that is a ampersand BD, that is a double row low, that is a BD quotation mark. Then next is the dagger, that is this is the sign of the dagger. Then this is a double dagger. Now next is the chapter number 36, that is so this is the double dagger, that is ampersand dagger. Next chapter is chapter number 36, that is MIME media type, that is what are the various MIME media types. The full form of MIME is the multi-purpose internet mail extension. This is mentioned over here. So these are the what are the various multimedia extension that is available for the media type. So what are the various media type that is used for the MIME, that is used for the multiple mail extension, multiple types, that is the MIME media types. This I'm going to start within the next class. So that's all for today's session. Thank you so much everyone for listening me. And if there is any doubt, any suggestions, you can ask the doubts from me. In the next class, we will be starting the next topic, that is the next chapter, not topic, next chapter, that is chapter number 36, that is a MIME media type. So thanks a lot everyone. Bye bye. That's all for today's session. Now again, I'm saying if there is any doubts, you can ask the doubts from me. So thanks a lot. Bye bye.